Today we are doing a Muhoroni town cleanup, and it is not just targeting the CBD or the central business district, but there is also informal settlement where we have participation of community health practitioners joining hands together with the village elders to ensure that the pooling centers are done. So as we walk around, we just collect litters or garbage or whatever waste there is for disposal from all this designated end.
One of the most important activities that must be done is to improve the road network within this town. And that's why we're here. You can see behind me a backhoe that was responsible for drainage opening and clearing of the garbage that had been collected for transfer to the respective area where we take our garbage for value addition. I want to also mention that within this program, we are going to change the status of this town.
Our main plan is one. With the board, we want to change the face of Muhoroni. One, we want to deal with careless parking. We have to control the traffic. We have to inform. Starting this week, we have even done some notices. If you are a transporter or you own any tractor within Muhoroni, can you find a place, go and park it? If you are running a garage, we have a Juakali land for informal sector. We want you to get out of town, you go to where you should be doing your things.
We want change, that change can change us. If we don't embrace change, change cannot change us. And if the community are there to progress, they have to accept change.
Nao aikari a Ngariama ya Muhoroni